Right, here's an example of expressing an answer in reduced form. There's three different terms being added with unlike denominators. So first, notice that the first two terms have no denominator other than 1, um, like u over 1, a over 1. But the third term has a denominator of u plus a. So since the first two terms have no denominator other than 1, we will just give that denominator to both of those terms. So what that will look like is instead of u plus a plus u over u plus a, we'll take that denominator and give u plus a as denominators on both of those, but in doing so we have to multiply the numerator by that same quantity u plus a. So again, we're not changing the value of that term, we're just changing the way it looks, because the u plus a's would cancel back and give you u. And if we distribute the numerators, we get u squared plus ua, and then we get another ua or au with an a squared, and then plus a u, and that's all over the same denominator of u plus a. Now, if you want to, when we first did these four terms here, another way that you could have looked at that was you were doing u times u plus a times u plus a, and those in a sense would factor into u plus a that they had in common times another u plus a. So what you'd have up top is u plus a squared, and then plus another u over u plus a, but that's not really going to get you anywhere for this one. I just think that would be sort of like a reduced form factored, because otherwise the only thing you could combine is going to be u squared 2ua or 2au plus a squared plus another u all over u plus a. And those four terms don't have anything in common collectively, so you can't factor anything out. You would just be maybe grouping and seeing what you could do with that. But I think either one of these would be your final answer, depending on if you wanted it, recognizing that it's factored a bit, or the final answer with everything combined like you can.